Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a hair tutorial, and today's hair tutorial is beach waves. I did a beach waves tutorial back when I started out my channel, and honestly I like how these waves came out better. To me, they're a little more beachy and easier to achieve. I used the Pearl curling iron from the NuMe Lustrum set. NuMe I think also just sells like the pearl on its own, so if you want to check it out, I will leave a link down below. And if you want to see how I got this hairstyle, then keep watching. Okay, just like many of my hair tutorials, my hair is already brushed. So now I'm going to move on to my dry shampoo, and I'm almost running out of this Dove Refresh and Care one. So I'm also going to mix in my OGX Bodifying Bamboo Fiberful dry shampoo. So I'm just going to shake up the Dev one and spray this on my roots. And I'm officially out. Throw them in the empties bag. So I'm just going to shake up the OGX one. And spray where I have it already. I kind of just spray it randomly. And I'm just going to massage this into my hair. Which, that's like my fave part of dry shampoo, is massaging it into my head. Next up, I'm just going to go in with some texturizing spray. I just really like to add this because my hair is very stubborn when it comes to curling it. So I like to just add all the product that I possibly can. So this is the L'Oreal Air Dry Wave Swept Away Spray. And I'm just going to spray this through. And then I'm just going to like horribly section my hair into like a half up, half down to make life a little easier. And I'm going to just take a clip to secure it. And just bring all this hair forward. So to curl my hair today, I'm going to be using this fun looking thing. This is the Pearl curling wand from the NuMe Lustrum set. That is what I am using. And I'm just honestly going to pick up kind of big sections, because I've noticed that with this curling wand that the bigger the section, the looser the wave and like the nicer that it looks, so you get like that beach wavy effect. When you take too small of a chunk, it's very, very tight, and it kind of makes your hair very like big and bushy looking, and I don't want to go for that. So I'm just going to take big random sections curling away from my hair. I'm just going to wrap it around, and I'm also going to leave a lot of the ends out. I like how that looks better. Just going to hold it on for a couple of seconds and then release it. And then that is what the curl will look like. It kind of looks weird at first, but it actually looks really pretty once you curl all your hair together. So I'm just going to keep curling away from my face. Again, taking kind of bigger chunks of hair. I don't ever make my sections even, because I like the messier curl look. And also, if you want to curl your hair after you've braided it, doing this, it looks really pretty as well with this pearl. If you just braid it, I normally Dutch braid my hair, and it looks so pretty after you curl it. I've actually done a tutorial on that. It was a Carly Bible inspired. I'll link that down below. So this is like what a bigger section looks like. Again, gives you like a really pretty weave. And you can almost just, like I did, just 3 sections. And you're good to go. It's really quick and easy doing this. I also feel like when you leave out a strand of hair like this much, it makes the curl look looser and not as tight. So this is what this looks like right here, and I'm just going to curl this side now, again taking a bunch of different sections. I'm going to try to split it into 3 though. So now my bottom layer is all done. Just gonna move that to the back and curl the top. I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm not doing, anything different. I'm just gonna take random sections and curl away from my face. Okay, so the curls are done and they should kind of just look something like this with the ends sticking out like that. So now I just like to kind of flip my hair back and forth a couple of times to make them looser. Now I'm just combing my fingers through my hair, just loosening them up a little bit. You don't want beach waves to be like extremely tight curls. You want them to be loose and like relaxed because, beachy, relaxed. That's just how I think of it. So you don't want them to be like perfect and all that stuff. You kind of want the curls to be like loose. You want it to look like you just came out of the beach, out of the ocean. So now to just set all of this, I'm going to go in with some hairspray. I'm using my L'Oreal Elnett hairspray. And I'm just going to spray my hair. And then this is kind of just what the curls should look like. And that is it for this hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see in the near future, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!